Alright everyone, in today's video I want to bring you another unlock tutorial. This time I'm going to teach you how to remove the screen lock password, the PIN, from your Samsung A22 for those of you who forgot your password and can't remember it anymore. You can be on this emergency screen or this screen here, it doesn't matter, either one is fine, okay? Remove your SIM card and your memory card because this process will erase everything that's stored on the device. In some cases you might need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any software files or anything like that, so you can try it with or without the cable. What are you going to do? You're going to press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to do it here for you to make it easier for you to follow along wherever you are. Let's go then. Volume down and power, like I said, wait for it to restart. Let's wait a few seconds. Now release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button. Keep holding the volume up button at the top until it enters recovery mode. Let's wait. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. Leave your like as well, because it really helps us out, okay? Just a few more seconds. Just keep holding on. Alright everyone, once you get to this screen, we're going to go down to the fifth option by pressing the volume down button. On this option here, we confirm by pressing the power button. On the next screen, go down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, we're going to wait for the information to load so we can continue with the unlocking process. Let's wait. When you get to this screen, just confirm with the power button. And if this video helped you, and if you're able to, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. That was today's video. You'll see that your device will already be back without the screen lock password. Thanks, take care.